Hey parents, here's a multiplication homework explanation for our brand new unit in multiplication. Homework packets will look a little bit different. They will still be sent home, but there will be practice charts and check sheets that are critical in building fluency. Here's an example of a practice sheet. The student practices in order first, then the mixed up multiplication, and then the mixed up division. When student is ready to be tested on any column, the parent covers up the answers and the student gives the answer to the adult while looking on, and the goal is to master all 3 columns during that week. Here's an explanation of what I'm talking about. You can see the first column is the multiplication in order, the second column is the multiplication mixed up, and the third column is the division problems mixed up. When a student is ready to get started, they first test themselves by taking a sheet of paper, a pencil, a pen, something that they can use to cover up the answers, and they will begin by just saying to themselves or in their head, 1 times 2 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, and so on, while trying to memorize the facts. When a student is finished with that column, they will take their strip of paper, their pencil, or their pen, and they will move it over to the next column, to the multiplication mixed up problems, and they will repeat the same procedure. So you'll see here that the column was moved over, and it's 4 times 2 equals 8. They'll say 7 times 2 equals 14, and they'll keep going down and then repeat the procedure with the division problems that are mixed up as well. When a student has completed this part of the activity and have tested themselves, they can ask a parent then to quiz them, and the parent will cover up the answers and the students will provide the answers to the parents. Of course, the goal is to get every single one right in a timely manner, and if a student does get one wrong, what they can do is take a pencil and lightly circle the ones that they got incorrect. So in this case, in the example, it's 9 times 2 equals 18 and 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Those would be the facts that the student would need to continue working on to be proficient with this activity. Now the practice sheets are not the only thing you'll see. You will also see these home check sheets, which is a more mixed up version of multiplication and division. Students will study these charts until they're ready to be quizzed again, following the same procedure as the student practice charts.